This is why you're broke. You've been told that to save money, you need to track every last penny. That is a lie. In fact, this spreadsheet is the very thing guaranteeing you'll fail. Look, tracking every coffee and sausage roll is exhausting. It's called decision fatigue. It forces you to use your limited willpower on tiny, insignificant choices. It makes you feel restricted, and when you inevitably buy something you shouldn't, you feel guilty. But it's not you, it's the system. It's designed to fail. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you a beautifully simple, two-step anti-budget system that puts your savings on autopilot, and more importantly, lets you spend the rest of your money completely guilt-free. Point 1. The psychology of failure. Why budgets break. Your brain has a limited supply of willpower. Traditional budgeting forces you to make dozens of small, draining financial decisions every day. Can I afford this coffee? Is this lunch in the budget? By the time a real temptation comes along, like a new pair of trainers, your willpower battery is dead. It's like trying to stick to a super strict diet. You might last a few days, but eventually you'll crack and eat the entire cake. The problem isn't the cake, it's the unsustainable restrictive system. All right, quick pause. What's the one purchase you hate tracking in your budget? For me, it was always books. Drop your budget killer in the comments below. I want to see what we're all fighting against. Point 2. The secret sauce. The anti-budget system revealed. Okay, here's where we flip the entire script. Forget tracking your spending. We are going to do the exact opposite. This is the pay yourself first method, or as I call it, the anti-budget. It is painfully simple, and it works because it requires almost zero willpower. Here's how it works. Step 1, your paycheck comes in. Immediately, before you pay a single bill, before you buy a single coffee, a fixed percentage or amount is automatically transferred out. This is your savings. It's non-negotiable. It's gone. You've paid your most important person, future you, first. What's left over lands in your main bank account. And here is the magic. This money, it's all yours. To spend. On whatever you want, guilt-free. There's no tracking. No spreadsheets. No guilt. If you can afford it with what's in that account, you can buy it. The saving is already done. Point 3. How to set it up in 2 minutes. This entire system relies on one thing: automation. You can set this up right now. Open your banking app. Go to Payments. Set up a standing order to transfer a set amount from your current account to a separate savings account. Set the date for the day after you get paid. That's it. You've just done more for your financial future in 2 minutes than a month of tracking spreadsheets ever could. So you see, you don't need more discipline. You need a better system. You've flipped budgeting from a game of restriction to a game of freedom. You've automated your success. Now that you know how to save automatically with the anti-budget, the next logical question is where to put that money so it actually grows and beats inflation. The worst place for it is a standard savings account. So I made a video breaking down the best simple investment options for your savings in the UK right now. Click the video on the screen. It is the perfect next step on your journey. Click it now and I'll see you there.